Okay, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to connect the AgentGraph MCP server into your Claude or your Codex or any harness. In order to do this, you should have some familiarity with MCP connectors. I'm going to show Claude, not all of the harnesses, but they all generally work the same. So once you log into your account, you'll see an MCP area on the left nav. You can go ahead and click that. Here, you can click on which harness you want to add in. We're going to do Claude, and inside of Claude, you'll need to add this connector URL in order to get going. So go ahead and copy that URL, and then jump over to your Claude and go into the settings connectors. So here, I'm going to open my settings, and then I'm going to jump over to connectors. And then you're going to want to add a custom connector in order to add AgentGraph. I'm going to paste that URL in and name it AgentGraph and then click Add. Now, in order to access the MCP server, you need to authenticate your AgentGraph account. So it'll pull up the MCP and then go ahead and click Connect. If you're not logged in, it'll redirect you to log into your AgentGraph account. If you're already logged in, it may authenticate you automatically inside your browser. And then once you log in, you'll be able to see all the tools that are available to your account. Here, I'm logged in as an AgentGraph builder. And as a builder, I'm able to look at my own profile, list the engagements I'm active on. I can search the docs. I can also browse the skills taxonomy to get a sense of what my profile looks like relative to some of the skills that are out there. I also have the ability to log my hours on projects or update my availability so that other clients in the ecosystem know when I'm available. So now that we're connected, let me go ahead and do a quick demo in a new chat. Can you take a look at my profile in AgentGraph and then make some suggestions for me to make it better? So here, now that we have the connector in place, it'll go ahead and grab some AgentGraph tools. It's looking at Builder Me, and it'll pull my profile in. This is a demo account, so it's not actually my AgentGraph profile. I believe I'm logged in as Andre Karpathy currently. And as Claude goes through, it can get a sense. Yeah, it's flagging on Substance that I am me, but I'm actually signed in as Andre, so it thinks that's a little weird. But in any case, it's kind of playing along with that. Now, one thing that's nice about the MCP connector is it also has access to all of the rich context that you've built up inside your harness. And so many users have reported that they would rather use their own harness with all that context when interfacing with AgentGraph in order to get all those additional benefits. So you now have that option. But if you are ever logged in to AgentGraph, you also can access the assistant and you can run the same set of prompts where you have access to the same tools in the MCP server here. So just to kind of show how they work side by side, you can put the same prompt in and it will likely find the same tools and give you similar feedback on it, but it may be running a different model and it doesn't have access to all of the other MCP connectors and tools that you have inside of your own harness. So it's kind of up to you to decide how you want to interact with the tools, but just know that they're available in both places, whatever is more convenient to you. And that's it. Happy MCP connecting.